I'm happy. We've been talking for a little while now. People were telling me to come meet you because I'm in the city now.
Yes.
I'm happy. Like I'll just say right now, for my channel, we got a tour of the place now, and this guy is amazing.
Thank
Look
you.
at
All right. They've given you the a circle. Eh? So when you look at this sum, what do they want to know? There's something they want you to know about what's happening there. What is it that they want you to know? The properties of a circle. What is it that they want you to know? It's raining hard. Raining hard. Okay, the radiuses are what? So where are the radiuses? Mention them. And PO. Okay, they've shown you two radiuses, and then you know that they are all equal. Okay, and then what else do they want you to know? What are they? Properties of triangle. They want you to know that. What are the properties of the triangle that they want you to know? Okay, show me which base angles are going to be. Label them. Label them X. Okay. Okay, meaning that we have triangle PQR, and because they've given us this, they're telling us that this side is equal to that side. So therefore, the base angles are going to be equal. Which are the base angles? The ones that you've marked X. And what other one do they want to? What other triangle can you also find? Equilateral triangle. Which way? Where is the equilateral triangle? No. I think your radiuses they've formed the triangle. Where is the triangle? Mention it. Okay. What type of a triangle is that also? Okay, so can you mark the sides which are equal? Mark with two lines. So what will happen to the base angles? So can you mark them the base angles? Mark them Y. Make it from there. Mark them Y, and then the other one. Okay. So what other thing? What other property of a triangle do they want you to know? Subtension triangle. About subtension. Yeah. So can you explain the subtension that is there? Which one is that? Okay. Which one is that? Okay. So which means that angle, this one, is twice that angle. So that means the x angle is what is the x there? So put 30 there. So which other angle is also going to be 30? And can you mark it 30? Okay. Now the question they says, find OQR, angle OQR. What is this? With O in the center. Is the center of the, so you must find which angle? OQR. So can you mark it? Mark it B. Yeah. Yeah, mark it B. Must name it B. Yeah. So we want to find that angle, which is B. But we have been told already that we know already that that triangle OBY, OBP, OQP is an isosceles triangle. Which means which angles are going to be equal? So y and y they're the same. So if they're the same, how many degrees is that one? Yeah. Why is it 30 degrees? How many angles in a triangle? How much do they add? 180. So if this is an isosceles, OPQ, and that angle is already 60. But we know that isosceles, this angle and that angle is the same. So how many degrees is the y? Because y plus that plus that plus that is going to give us 180. Y is 60 degrees. Okay, so 60 degrees. So if they've given us that y is 60 degrees, and then they want us to find OQR, but we know that the whole angle there is going to be 60 degrees. Then OQR, how many degrees is that going to be? What? Then that way. You see? So you know that in geometry, when they give you a question like that, all they want to know, all they want to find out is, do you know the properties of whatever they're asking? In this case, they want us to know what are the properties of a circle. So the properties that she needs to know mainly is that from the center, all the lines that are coming from the center to the circumference, they are radiuses. And all those lines are the same, they're equal. And another thing they wanted to know is that the triangles that are formed there, because of those lines that are coming from the center, those triangles are going to be isosceles triangles. And the other thing also they want to know is, does she know the properties of a circle, like to talk about the substantial, meaning that if an angle is subtended from there, these angles are subtended from the same arc. But now this one is subtended from the center. So the angle that is formed from the center is two times the one that is on the circumference of the circle. That's all we need to know. So the question was, let's find what is this angle here, which is OBR. Now to find it, we needed to use those properties of a circle to find out, by figuring out this triangle, which is an isosceles, that this angle and that angle is the same. But we know that the angles in a triangle, they add up to 180. They've already given us 60. It meant that these two angles, they're adding up to 120. But since they're equal, so it's 120 divided by 2, which gives us what? 60. So this angle is 60, that angle is 60. But now we know that this triangle that is being formed this side, they've given us that this line is equal to this line. There's a triangle that has been formed there, which is telling us that that triangle is also an isosceles, meaning that this angle over here and that one is the same. But since this angle is twice this, we've found out that this one is 30. But now if theta is equal to this one, so that means this little angle, which we gave it to be y, is also 30. Now since we have 30 here, we need to find the difference there. And now we know that already this angle is supposed to be equal to this angle, which is 60. Now, if we have 30 already there, that means the difference there is now, and that angle is what? It's 30 degrees. This angle is 30 degrees. So we found the answer. Very easy, just like that. I'm always telling Tamara that geometry is the most easiest part of mathematics. Why? All they want you to know are the properties. If you don't know and understand the properties, geometry is going to be very difficult for you. So you have understood.
Yeah.
You will be able to explain if you're at school, they give you this, you'll be able to solve it.
Yes,
If you get a similar type of a problem, it won't be difficult again. Yeah. You must always remember, once they give you this angle plus that angle there, the whole thing is going to be involving isosceles triangles. And it's also going to be involving subtension of the angles that are subtended by this arc, the arc that is there. So you need to know those properties. All right. So that is that, folks. Your professor has just showed you how to solve the geometry problems over here. So we'll be doing it quite often, frequently. And Tamara can share this video on our channel, and I can also share it on my channel, isn't it? All right. So yeah, don't forget to like.
Subscribe, share, and comment.
Thank you very much.